Hey there, it's Sharon Peterson here with simplycanning.com, and I wanted to talk to you today about processing pickles. Now, as you all know, nobody likes soft, mushy pickles, and I am right there with all of y'all. But I do recommend that you need to process your pickles because nobody wants unsafe pickles or pickles that just end up spoiling on the shelf. It's a lot of work. You want to do it right so that you have that shelf-stable product and you can eat it later. What you need to look at is the low temperature pasteurization. It's a different method of processing. It's a lower temperature. Your water is not at a full boil. It is a longer processing, so you have to process for a full 30 minutes, but the temperature is down. And so it's just gentler on those pickles, yet it's still a safe way to do it so that you have pickles that are safe to just put on the shelf. So check it out below. Again, it makes it super easy. One tip I wanted to tell you, if you do this process, have a nice big thermometer. You really need to watch that temperature of your water. And a nice big thermometer is nice because it doesn't end up falling down in the bottom of your pot. You can set it down in there, you can put your lid on, and it works great. So check it out, simplycanning.com. Low temperature process. My camera's falling over. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later.